Granny, Dreamboat Granny. Oh, you're here already. I wasn't ready for you. Well, hi, how are you? Today I'm going to make, well, first of all, I was watching a cupcake show the other day. All kind of fancy cupcakes. Every kind of cupcake you could think of. And I said, I don't see no meat cupcakes. Right? Then I said, ooh, I'm going to make some meat cupcakes. So I grabbed my meat, hauled it out. Got some big tins. Egg, onion. Make some nice meat mixture and put them in the Ninja Foodi pressure cooker with the air crisp lid. It was talking to me. What was it? Must be on break. Let's see. Foodi! Hey, say hi. Say hi to the people. Come on. Nope. Okay. So first I'm going to mix up my 2 pounds of ground beef with an egg, some breadcrumbs, and mince up an onion, whatever you like in your meat cupcake. Meat, it's not just for dessert anymore. Come on over. God, Dave. This is from the butcher shop. 2 pounds. High quality ground beef. With my nice sterile clean hands. Is that going to be a big enough bowl? Ooh, I might have help to have this minced. Would you mince that for me, please? Mm-hmm. What do you need?
Give me a knife.
This knife?
Yeah. No, up on the top.
This knife? This
3
knife?
over.
3 over. 1, 2, 3. That one?
Okay.
Cutting board?
Thank you. A little white one.
I should have did it myself.
I'm on the wrong side of the kitchen here.
Okay, while you do that, I'll crack an egg. 1 egg for 2 pounds of meat. Remember, make this however you like. 1 egg. I don't know why that song is stuck in my head, but I don't mind it. Little salt and pepper. Sea salt and sea pepper. Some panko breadcrumbs or whatever kind you have. Just about that much until we mix it up and see what the consistency is going to be. Oh, I'm waiting for some onions over there. Oh, sorry. This is the Ninja Foodi. Remember, it has 2 lids. You gonna speak to me? Yeah. Oh, now you talk. This is the pressure cooker lid, and then we can brown them at the end with the air crisp lid, or air fry them, you know. But I'm gonna pressure cook the meat and just make them a little brown on top. Like that idea? Should've got a bigger bowl. This'll work. Oh, did I show you my cupcake pans? Yeah, I did. See? I'm going to divide the meat into 4 and make some nice meat cupcakes. Okay. This is good meat. You know the fat ratio to this meat?
I think it's 85%.
85% fat?
No.
I hope so.
The other way.
It's going to be good. Wait till you see how I'm going to top my meat cupcakes. And you don't have to put in onions. But you could put in green peppers. Or hot peppers. Or cornflakes. Or Fritos. That's a nice mixture. I like it. Are we ready over there?
There you go.
Funyuns with the onions. Go ahead. My hands are dirty.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Almost like a meatloaf. I made pressure cooker meatloaf already. That worked amazingly well. Didn't it?
Yeah, that was good.
Get into it. I should put some more breadcrumbs in. Maybe give me a sprinkle over there. See.
Some
Ooh.
like Italian.
Whoa. I should put them on top, right, when it gets brown. When I'm in the bread.
Well, you're gonna be adding something.
It's hot.
Oh, you got the onion there on the counter.
Oh, you want it?
Nope. Want some garlic and seasoning?
Guess it wouldn't hurt, right?
Yep.
They're your meatballs. Make them however you like them. Cheesy, greasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, before I get crazy with the mixing, oregano, that's all. Oregano and garlic powder. Where's my meat now? I keep losing my meat. Whoa! Flip my lid. Flip my lid again. Keep mixing, keep mixing. This is about the third time I'm mixing them now, right? It's really easy. Ooh, now it smells good. There's enough spices, right?
Yep, I think that's good.
Now, since it's in a bowl, can I divide it equally into 4? I'm sure I can. If I have any left, I can have dessert. It's already dessert. Just let me grab a handful like this. What I think would be a good size of a meat cupcake. It's almost like a giant meatball. Alright? Should I spray the pan? Nope. Should I poke a hole in the pan?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, let me poke a hole in the pan. I'm going to add 2 cups of water because we need water for a pressure cooker to build up pressure. So I got this metal thermometer. I'm going to poke a hole, just 1 hole in each, to let the juice drain out. You like it? And if this doesn't fit your pressure cooker, it's good. You should bend up the corners a little bit. Look good? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Have a little left or not? Or giant meatballs. Am I done? I'm done. No rack needed, just that. See that? Beautiful. Get my pressure cooker lid. Put it in sealing mode in the back or locking mode. Right there. I want to go to high pressure. Pressure time I want. Oh, 10 minutes. That's what I want. That's it. High pressure, 10 minutes, and there it goes. Okay. Wait for the pressure to build up with the water in there and the steam. And then I'm going to finish it. And it's going to be a surprise at the end. Should I tell you? Should I tell them now or wait? Oh, you gotta wait, but it's gonna be good. Okay, after the 10 minutes, open it up, look at it, and then I'm gonna put this down for 2 or 3 minutes to brown it up a little bit. Which I don't think I really have to do, but it's gonna be good for dessert. Meat cupcakes. Well, come up to pressure pretty quick, look at that. Yeah, that was only about 3 or 4 minutes. Good Ninja Foodi. Can't wait. Mm-hmm. Whoa, here we go. The time went fast. 1, 2, 3. Speak to me. Done. Okay. Now I would normally leave the pressure out manually, but I think I might wait a couple minutes. Why? I don't know. Because she's not here and I want her to see it. Where'd you go? Time to eat. A couple minutes of natural release. Okay. Well, that little release of steam I let out sure does smell good. This is going to be some good meat cupcakes. I hear some sizzling in there. Hurry up. I found her. See, I let it release naturally for 4 minutes and some seconds. We'll wait till 5 minutes and release the pressure. Here we go. Now you can do this in any kind of pressure cooker. We just chose this to make it a little brown on top, but I don't think that's necessary. What do you think?
No, because you have some other plans for the ending.
What do you see?
I don't want to spoil the ending for you.
Are you excited?
I'm excited. I know that.
Doesn't that smell
Oh
good?
yeah, it does.
Man.
Let's look.
Okay,
Wow.
First meat cups ever until next month when they're on the Cupcake channel.
Somebody might like your recipe.
Oh, it smells so good. Oh, you ain't seen nothing yet.
Oh wow!
Baby, you just ain't seen nothing yet.
Look at that.
Yeah, just wait.
They look perfect.
I should have poked 2 holes in them, huh? Should I poke another hole
When
in
you
them?
lift that pan up, all the liquid's
Oh,
gonna
maybe.
drain out. Yeah. Do you want to take the temperature?
Why, don't you feel good?
Just to show people after 10 minutes. No,
I just want to see something if I lift that up. Oh, let's drain that off just a little bit. Just for fun. Okay, I feel better now. Now, see if it has a fever?
on the
Where's
refrigerator.
the thermometer? Oh, fancy schmancy. What would you like it to be? 165?
165 would be perfect. What does it say?
20 something. 142. Well, I'm going to brown them so they're going to get hotter.
Yep, we'll check the temperature
48.
after.
It's hotter on that side.
Plus they're resting and they're going to raise the temperature.
Yes. I'm resting.
We're going to make sure it's up to 165.
Okay, this is where I put on my other hat. My crisping hat. Ooh, see, it says lid. I'll take a lid. There we go. Air crisp. Watch. 390. How many minutes? Oh, not that many. What do you think?
About like 8.
That's what I was gonna say. All right.
I like the way you think.
And we're allowed to sneak a peek right there. It says sneak a peek if you want. You can look in there.
Yeah, they encourage it.
Doesn't smell good, little Rick?
He's going to peek.
Wait, I'm gonna take a peek maybe at 4 minutes.
Uh-huh.
But I don't know what it's gonna be when it's done. Should I put them on a plate?
Yeah, just like cupcakes.
It's almost 4 minutes there. I'm gonna sneak a peek because this tells me I can. Whoa!
How's it look?
See what that lid looks like?
Yeah, this is...
Heating element and a fan in there. What do they call that? Tender crisp. All right, let's not waste no time. We're getting there. Look like nice big meatballs, don't they?
Yeah.
But they're cupcakes. I'm telling you, they're cupcakes. Look, they're cupcakes. Okay. The time has come. Cool, baby, cool. Cool. We gotta cool down a minute. Gotta cool down. Cool. Done. Thank you. Cool. Oh. Oh. Temperature. Ooh, crusty on top a little bit. 171, 172.
Oh.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Awesome.
Here we go. All right.
Oh, they're beautiful.
Let's see how we can get these out of here. Gently. Delicious meat cupcake. Oh. Ain't he neat? Oh. It smells like Sunday dinner or something. It smells so good. That one mine, that one yours. Oh, a little crusty on top. Oh. Let's see. That's the air crisp technology. All right, meet me at the table. It's time to eat. Thank you. Thank you. Hang on, you didn't see it yet. Okay. How could you make your meat cupcakes any better? Icing? No. Cheese whiz, maybe? Maybe. Well, it's still warm. You don't shake this, do you?
What do you got there?
Easy cheese. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna stick that in there, like that, and fill it with cheese. Watch, see? Oh, Oh! Oh yes, a little more for St. Claus. A little bit more for St. Claus. A little more for St. Claus.
Just like a cupcake filled with icing.
Then he goes like this. And then he lets it melt while it's still hot. Take a look, Cupcake World. Your new menu item. Call it what you want, but spell my name right. How can you make this any better? Oh, I don't know. Maybe some bacon. Maybe. What do you think? Think that's okay?
Bacon sprinkles.
It's a piece of resistance. Oh, you want one, right? Whew. Oh, boy. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Which one do I want? You have a nice holder because it's so hot.
Hold that stuff. I want to get perfect. Smile.
May I bite it, please? Yes. Or shall I let the cheese melt a little bit? It's melting. It's hot. The best way to eat a meat cupcake is... take a bite! Look at the cheese in there. It's crunchy on top. If I had a longer spout, right? But it's in there. It's in the middle. These were busting out because they're a little smaller. Here. Here, Apple.
Apple. I'll give you apple.
I'm regular ear Apple.
Oh, look at that.
Take a bite.
Ooh.
Meat cupcakes. Oh, the cheese whiz is holding up good. Wow. Onions and garlic. She loves it. She fainted.
I love it. Look at the cheese inside.
I'm fainting. Try that in your pressure cooker. Surprise your family and friends, or just yourself. Change it however you like. Remember, meat isn't just for dessert anymore. Oh, these are so good, aren't they?
Oh, yeah. That's a real treat.
Oh, that's a winner. Oh, good. Please subscribe for more fun. That was so delicious. I'm glad you were here to watch me make it. Have a nice night. See ya. I'm gonna eat them all. Mine, oh mine. Cheese run down the middle of that.